guys, hi, welcome back. It's Rachel. So we are going to do part 2 of my video. The first one I posted up was on the add-on sale. Today we're going to do customization for the fall 2020 Fabfitfun box. This is open right now through today because by the time I get this video up, it will be the 5th for year-long subscribers. For those that are quarterly, that means you only pay each quarter. Your box time does not open up for like another week, so don't freak out. I just like to get this up for the annuals early, and then hopefully everybody else can go back and look later. So again, you have until midnight Pacific time to get these choices in on the 5th. Okay, so we are going to go over the different customization choices, my thoughts, and just generally about them. So in customization number 1, this is for everybody to choose. We've got quite a few choices, and I didn't realize this when I first went in. We have the Foxy Bay 25mm black curling wand with rose gold colored. Foxy Bay is a great brand. I've used some of their other stuff. This looks like your standard curling iron, and I don't think it comes with a... It doesn't look like it comes with a mitt. That's the only thing. A lot of curling irons that are the wands, they usually come with a mitt. So that's the only thing that I'm a little bit confused on that. So hopefully it does, but it doesn't look like it does. The next thing are 2 different bags from Boddicker, New York. There's a Bond tote, which is 12 by 6.5 by 11.5. I'll post pictures up of this as we go along. It looks like your standard black tote. It is polyester and polyurethane trim. I'm okay with that. That looks like a tote that you'll be able to wipe down and kind of go about your day. Inside it has a lot of different pockets, which looks very good. It's at retail at $128. So that looks like a nice thing. The other product in here is the Trigger backpack, which is worth $100. This is nylon with webbed backpack straps. And then it has the polyurethane trim. It looks really cute. It's not really functional for someone like me that totes around a bunch of crap with kids, but I think for someone that maybe isn't hauling a bunch of stuff, this is probably a little bit more functional. But super cute little backpack design on that. So that's really adorable. Then they have the Sachawan Styling Cream and Finish Cream. This is $65. I don't know why there's such a wide variety of prices in this category, and I've noticed this in all the categories that the price ranges are vastly different. It's very weird to me, but anyway, this is a styling cream and then a finishing cream. Yeah, I don't have much to say on it. I think if you're big into cream, hair products, this is a nice option. It just seems kind of weird that they put this in the first one. Okay, next thing is the Mia Melange foldable cotton basket. This is super cute. It's only 9 by 9 by 9. It looks like in some of the pictures they have it as like a little basket that you can put toilet paper in, or a little basket you can put a plant in. It has these little handles. It looks cute. I wish it was a little bit bigger, quite honestly. I feel like it'd be a little bit more useful if it were bigger, but it is 100% cotton yarn rope, and it is valued at $60. Probably not really $60, but it is cute. Next item is the Uncommon James set of 2 copper canisters. This is valued at $49. These are copper plated stainless steel. There's a large and a medium one. These look really, really pretty. I'm a big fan of copper stuff. They have like a sealable wooden lid. It looks like you can use it to store stuff in it, like food, or as a decorative item. So that's adorable. I really, really like that. So I'm gonna have a little hard choice on this. And then the final thing is the Stila Day Stay All Day Waterproof Huge liquid eyeliner plus huge extreme mascara. $45 for this. Again, I'm not sure why they put this in the first category. It just seems like it's a little low value compared to some of the items, but Stila is okay. I don't know. I'm not loving that product. All right, next category, customization number 2 is again open to everybody to customize regardless of your subscription type. So the first thing here is the Gloss Metrics hair removal device. This is basically an epilator, or what's the term? Basically where it plucks little hairs out. These have been around for a long time, but I have been curious about one of these. This is supposed to be $59.99. It looks nice. It looks like it's a little bit bigger, so it might do things like armpits and legs a little bit easier than some of the smaller ones. It's a rose gold detailing, and it takes 1 AA battery. So that is $59.99. They have the Soy and Kayo woven scarf with a fringe. It's $85. This is really pretty. I feel like I've gotten this in one of my other subscription boxes, something very similar. So for me, at least, I'm not going to get this again because I don't use this kind of thing that often. But I think this is a perfect fall item. And I feel like this box is maybe lacking a little bit of a fall feel for it. I mean, yeah, there's the taupe, but in some ways it's just not quite as... It doesn't feel as like fall as I would hope this box would feel, and not to be super critical, but this is supposed to be 100% acrylic. It is cute. It's like a pink and cream color. It looks very oversized. I think if you live in a place that's a little bit cooler, this is probably a great item. For me down here in Texas, it's too dang hot. I wouldn't be able to wear this until winter, so I'm not getting it, but it is really adorable. They have the Beyond Yoga Infinity Hidden Pocket Scarf. This is probably one of the few fit items in here, but it is really cute. It is $59.95 is the value, and basically it's a little yoga scarf that you can put like your belongings in. So your wallet, your phone, there's like a little zip pocket. It is really intriguing. I think it's great if you want to wear it and go to some sort of exercise class. It's cute. Not something I probably would utilize, but still cute. All right, next product is a Dr. Dennis Gross Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum, which is $65. I don't have much to say about this. I haven't used this particular brand. I don't know. Has anyone else tried this? Let me know. I don't have much to add on to that. And then we have Volition Beauty Celery Green Cream. I was actually really interested in this, but I have so many products having gone through my products recently. I realized I do not need to add this to my list. Otherwise, I would totally be interested in this. It has hyaluronic acid. Volition Beauty is supposed to be a clean beauty company. Now, clean beauty is a term that is not real well defined, but they try to generally, some companies define it as more of like using very ethically sourced products that are very like natural, whatever it means. Anyway, Volition Beauty has some great stuff. I've liked their products in the past. And this product is very intriguing. It's supposed to help with pores and uneven texture. Hyaluronic acid is very moisturizing. This looks like a great product. So, and then the last one is the Erno Laszlo Pure Exfoliating Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I got this in a previous box. I have not used mine yet. I love this brand. Erno Laszlo is a great brand. I just have mask overload. This is what your product's gonna look like. And this is obviously a throwback item. It's $48. It has kaolin and bentonite clay, so it will tend to dry your skin out, especially if you have oily skin. And it'll make your skin feel soft. So yeah, can't go wrong with that choice either. All right, moving on to customization number 3, and I think this is for everyone as well. We have the Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses in brown. I've heard mixed reviews about these. I just put the blue light blocking on my phone so my eyes don't get strained. So for me, I don't really want a product like this, but some people swear by it. It is $45. I've also heard people get headaches from these, so I don't know. We have the Vitamask Multivitamin Mask Set. If you're a big mask aficionado, these are $30. These look very papery thin. Can't say much more about them. I'm not a huge mask person. And then we have 2 Jenny Bird pendants and a cuff. These look really cool. So the Jenna Bird Lena pendant is really pretty. It's retailed at $115. This is another one of those like $40 product, $115. It's like, this obviously is probably an inflated price, but it's still just weird the way they intermingle the stuff in the box where the prices don't make sense. But this is brass and steel with silver plating. It is 16 inches long, and on the pictures, it looks like it's a layered necklace with this really pretty long dropped pendant. It's very pretty looking. I have something similar, but not quite this abstract looking, and so this is probably what I'm going to end up picking because it's really pretty. They also have the cuff, which is really like chunky, different metals on there. So they have iron, brass, zinc with either silver plating or imitation gold. So that's a little imitation gold, and then rhodium plating, which is usually what they use instead of platinum. It's supposed to be valued at $135. I feel like if it was valued at $135, they could at least gold plate it, but whatever. Just saying. It is really pretty though. It looks really cute. It's just not something I think I would wear as much, so that's why I am not going to probably pick that. And then we have the Beauty Bakery Proof in the Pudding. This is a throwback item. Beauty Bakery's eyeshadows are okay. I have another one of them. They're not fantastic. They're not awful. This is only valued at $38. Again, vastly different prices for the same category. It's just very bizarre. But if you're an eyeshadow person, this is just a neutral eyeshadow. It does not have a mirror in the eyeshadow. Okay, next category is number 4. This is, you have to be a select member. So this only applies to those that are year-long, pay for the whole subscription. Otherwise, the company is going to pick for you. And this category was a little bit more interesting. So they have the Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene and turquoise. This is really cool. It is a mason jar, kind of covered. It kind of like reminds me of the BKR bottles. It's $35, but I like the lid on it, how it like pops open and you can drink out of it. I'm always a fan of more water bottles. I take this back earlier where I said this was, the yoga one was the only one that was a fit product. This is also a fit product, obviously water bottle. They have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I've had this. This is a fantastic brow gel. It's $22. It's not a bad brow gel at all. And then a Skin and Aroma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cream. I've gotten this so many freaking times, but this is what it looks like. It's $28, and I don't know if they say the size in here, but I'm assuming it's this size because this is the full size product. It's an okay product. This is what it looks like, and I can't remember what it smelled like. I think it smells good, but yeah, that's the product if you're interested into it. It's not a bad product. And the final thing is the Frank Body, or there's 2 final things. Frank Body Owen Original Coffee Scrub, and this is okay. It's just a scrub in a bag. It's a little messy. Some people swear by it. It's probably not my favorite style of scrub, but it is normally $16.95. Again, values all over the place in this category. So yeah, it's okay. And then the final thing is the Feel Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. It smells really good. This is the bottle. I bought this in a previous sale. I really do like this, and this is $28. So this is really, really nice. If I didn't already have one, I would probably end up buying this or getting this in the sale. All right, next selection is also if you are a select member. This is the selection number 5. Again, if you're not, they will pick for you. The first thing is the 8 Other Reasons Runway Clip Trio. It's supposed to be $32. I'm sorry, these do not look like they're worth $32. I'm being a little hypocritical here, but I feel like you could buy these at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Target, and they're really cute, but they're just little pearlized clips, and there's 3 of them. So they're $32? I don't think so. They're probably like $5. There's the hip cutlery set, which also doesn't look that expensive. It's $14.99, I believe that price. But it's a really cool concept if you go picnicking. We go hiking a lot, so something like this where you can put the cutlery back in a little container is actually nice. So I'm probably going to pick this, even though it doesn't look like the most expensive or fancy item. It'll be something we'll actually use. And then we have the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil and Huaracho. I don't know how that's going to smell, but that company's nail oil is so good. This is the So Rich in Rich Mermaid Tears, which smells amazing. I can't tell you what this one is going to smell like, but whatever Huaracha scent is, it may be good, maybe not, but it is a good cuticle oil. It does last a long time. I'm a big fan of this brand. It is, you know, it's $18, so this is a good one if you need a cuticle oil. And then the last 2 things in the sale are, there is this Liquid RX Stress Reliever Natural Iuda Hair Oil, which is intriguing, valued at $75. Again, wide variety of prices in this price range. Don't really get it, so probably not really a $75 product. But the thing that's kind of weird about this is they say that you should target your scalp for the stress relieving properties. Generally, you don't want to put hair oil by your scalp. It'll make your roots greasy. Usually use hair oil more towards the ends to hydrate up the part of your hair that gets dry. So I'm a little bit like iffy on how this would work. But yeah, it's an intriguing product. I don't know if it's worth the price that they say. And then the final thing is a throwback product, the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. I did talk about this product in my empties video just like a day or so ago. I'll try to remember, post it up there. It's a nice product, not my favorite. These little exfoliating cubes smell delicious. They smell like like apple juice or something like that. They do exfoliate really nicely, but they are very drying on my skin. They're kind of difficult to use, the little cubes. Some people love them. I'm not a huge fan of them. They're valued at $16. So yeah, that's that product. So, all right. And then they had, we'll talk about the Boost items. I'm not getting any Boost items. I haven't in the last sale or this one. I didn't really love the Boost items last sale, but they had 3 Boost items. These are like kind of like add-ons. Basically they're add-ons. I don't really understand the concept of it, but anyway, they had the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior hydrating gel. It's valued at $80. I forget how much they had it in here because obviously these are all sold out. I don't know if they'll bring extra ones you know, in the next sale or not. Hopefully for you guys that are quarterly, they'll add some more on there. But right now, they're all sold out. And let me see, check it out. I'm going back here to see. The other thing, oh, it looks like, see, now it's available. It's $19. They have the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C Oil. Unfortunately, that one's not on there. And then the Christopher Robin Regenerating Mask for $19. Every time I go on, some of them are sold out, some aren't. It kind of comes and goes. I don't know what's going to be left over for you guys that are not annuals. But as for the rest of the categories for the rest of the box, most of the items are still available and we have one more day to go. So I think there'll be a pretty good large selection of items for everybody this time around, which is good because previously it hadn't been. But yeah, that's the box. It's not the most exciting box for me. It's not the worst box. It's kind of just okay. And I will see how I feel once I get it. I feel like it's not as cohesively fall feeling for me, but that may just be the choices that I picked. But there are some interesting choices. I know a lot of people are really excited about this box. So I'm curious how I feel once it'll get here. But anyway, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you later. Bye.